very important, so I want you to pay attention. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose I have a class called student. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in the class called student, I have what happened?
It's okay. You can continue.
Okay. I have a variable called name. I have an integer called marks. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a class with two variables. These are called instance variables. Can you see it, or should I increase the font size?
Yeah, I can do it. I search in Google. Google.
Is it fine now, or should I increase more?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Or should I increase also more? Now it is fine. It is readable, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is my class called student. I have two variables in it, name and marks. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to create an object. So where should I create an object? I should create an object outside this class. Okay. So I will create a main class, one more class called main, which will have the main method. Okay.
Yes.
Then I will say student equal to new student. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I can say that student dot name equal to Bhanu. Student dot marks equal to 100. This out of okay. So when I run this, the output is name Bhanu. Okay.
Yes.
Can you see? Okay. So this is an object. This small student, or I will say better for your better understanding. So S1 is an object of class student.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So that is why we say that a class is a template of an object.
Yeah.
Also, we can say that an object is a class with values. Like I told you,
And
I will give. Yeah, tell me.
okay, an object is a value of the class.
Yes, value of a class. I will give another example
Okay.
that I have already given. Suppose you go for admission into a school. Okay. So
Yes.
they give you a form to fill it up.
Yeah.
Okay. So they give you an empty form or blank form. Correct?
Yes. Sure.
So that blank form is a class. Okay.
Yeah.
And but when you fill your name, your address, your father's name, your whatever, all the details in that form, okay, then that form will become an object.
Yes. I see.
You got it right?
Yes.
Okay.
The
So this is about object.
the blank form is the class, and after we fill in the blank form, is an object.
Yes, because we have given name and value to the blank form,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
Yeah.
So S1 is an object, and this is one of the ways to create an object. Where what is new keyword? You know what is new?
Mm, new keyword view for
Yes.
allocated memory.
Good, very good. So memory for the class called student will get allocated or created in your RAM with the name S1.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. So what is a class? Is a building block of object-oriented programming. It is a template or blueprint of an object, as you already told. It has a state and behavior of an entity. Okay.
Yeah.
What is state? These these are called states, your variables.
Yeah.
Okay. And they say that it has a behavior also. What does this behavior means?
Method.
Behavior means method. Yes, correct. Very good.
Yes.
Like I will have a method, correct, like say
Method.
int get marks. Okay. Okay. So this is my behavior, that this class possesses a behavior which will return the marks. Okay.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes, correct.
Okay. So this is the syntax. Class, then you give the class name. Class, you give the class name. What is public and all, I will explain it to you when the time will come.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have instance variables, that is called state, and we have methods, that is called behavior. Fine.
Yeah.
Now I will again give an example to you using my favorite Microsoft Paint. Just give me 1 second. Let me initiate my touch of my laptop. So suppose I created one object. Okay. So this is my memory of object S1. Fine.
Yeah.
It has its memory for name that has value called Bhanu. It has one memory for marks. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Now I will try to create one more object. Is your name correct? DALIN or
Yes. Correct.
okay. Fine. So I have created one more object. Okay, S2. So the next object S2 will have different memory location. It will not be shared from the existing one. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So each object will have their own copy of instance variables.
I see.
Understand this? Understood this?
Yes.
Okay,
I
good.
did.
Okay. So that's what it was telling, that each instance of the class has its own copy of instance variables. So the objects are also called instances of the class. S1, S2 are objects of the class student. It is also called instance of the class. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are called instance variables. Okay. And objects are called instances of the class.
Yeah. Instead of the class. Object is instead of
Okay.
the class.
Yes.
Okay. What is instead?
Instance is like uh, what do you say? One state or one form. Means form as in mm, okay, I will give another example. Suppose there is a teacher in the school. Okay. The same teacher can teach mathematics in one class and he can teach science in another class.
Yeah.
Like he teaches mathematics in class 10 and he teaches science in class 8. Okay. So there are two instances of the same teacher. Can you understand this?
Can you give me more example?
Okay. Mm, more example like your mom. Your mom works in an office. So when she works in office, she is an employee of the office or company.
Mm-hmm.
When she works at home, like when she prepare meal or cooks in kitchen, this is one more form of your mom or one more instance of your mom. At one instance, she is an employee. At one instance, she is a cook in the home.
Mm-hmm.
You got it? So
Different
this is
di-
yeah,
different position.
correct, correct, very good. Okay. So at one instance of a student, one instance of a student is student S1, which means that it has a name called Bhanu,
Yeah.
and another instance of a student is S2, which has a name called Dalin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Example of class I've already given. Class employee string name, ID, salary. Name, ID, and salary are called instance variables, as I told. Correct.
Yeah.
Instance variables take the default. Okay. Now, my next question is, I'm just removing it. Okay, I'm just clearing it off because I don't like messy code. Okay. So now the next question is default values. Okay. So my first question to you is that what kind of data type is string? String is. It is a primitive data type or user defined data type.
Primitive data type. A string is
Just
no, string is reference. Hello. String is reference data type.